What do you think my brain is made for? Is it just
before I hot comb it? And this is what it's given so far. I have wore this unit before. I got this like a couple months ago, and I have wore it twice already. One for my birthday trip and like once after for like 2 days. So as you can see right here, I'm hot combing it in sections. So I'm doing the side, then I'm gonna do the back, the piece that covers the, oh wait, I gotta hold it. Pin it down when you're doing this part so it doesn't move, but just do everything in sections and I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's done. I'm almost done. This is what it looks like from the back, and this is what it looks like from the front. It's foundation already on it, the knots are already bleached, the edges are already plucked. Just watch as I go. I might pop in and give some pointers here and there. By the way, I do hair. For like those that don't know me, I do hair. I don't offer frontals as a service, but I do my own frontals. So I'm just doing a wig review. I will be doing a lot of wig reviews on this channel. And this is just the start of my new channel journey, actually, because I used to do YouTube years ago. Yo, why I ordered seafood and the place was closed. So I'm sitting here doing hair, waiting all this time. And my food not even on its way, so I'm pretty upset. You need spray, Ghost Bond, and cream. I really don't want to talk in this video, so I'm gonna just go ahead because I know this is gonna take a good 30 minutes. So I'm gonna just make sure y'all just watch.
Jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They know I'm a beast, I wait the giants up again. Shining once again. Ran it up, I told her mama, shot in my DMs. Now I'm right back in. Locked in. Shawty got that dress on, so the block is hot again. Think so when I hit it, sound like fuck a ad-lib. Got her ass again. Then she got it tripping off another yet again. Got a nigga feeling like a sucker yet again. Close on my emotions, then I rush and let her in. Hurry up and let her in. I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodale and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga, I'm finna nail her ass at home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Maze, I made her tell me what she want.
So you're gonna want to do like 2 to 3 layers of spray glue on your cap, and then when you cut it off, you're gonna want to do like, depending on how long you want your wig to last, you're gonna want to do like 3 to 5 layers of the Ghost Bond. So it's a lot of glue. Use some skin protectant. I'm not gonna be doing that. But this is glue I used to use. This is not good for the water though, I'm not gonna lie.
Jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They know I'm a beast, I wait the giants up again. take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga, I'm finna nail her ass at home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Maze, I made her tell me what she want.
Whatever she want, take her on the couch to the wherever she want. Take a 50 clip and doing shit is wrong. She that loves her attitude, she long away from. Hey, hey.
Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga finna nail her ass at home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Miss, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know power got me buying again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They don't want my beats, I wait the giants up again. Once again, ran it up, I told her mama, shout at my DMs. Now I'm right back in, locked in. Shawty got that dress on for the block, it's hot again. Think so when I hit it, sound like fuck a ad-lib. Got her ass again, then she got it tripping off another yet again. Got a nigga feeling like a sucker yet again. Close on my emotions, then I rush and let her in. Hurry up and let her in. I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga, I'm finna nail her ass at home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Maze, I made her tell me what she want. Already know. Spoiled as muck.
Whatever she want, take her on the couch to the wherever she want. Take a 50 clip and doing shit is wrong. She that loves her attitude, she long away from. Hey, hey. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They don't want my beats, I wait the giants up again. Shining once again, ran it up, I told her mama, shout at my DMs. Now I'm right back in, locked in. Shawty got that dress on for the block, it's hot again. Think so when I hit it, sound like fuck a ad-lib. Got her ass again, then she got it tripping off another yet again. Got a nigga feeling like a sucker yet again. Close on my emotions, then I rush and let her in. Hurry up and let her in. I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga, I'm finna nail her ass at home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Maze, I made her tell me what she want.
Guys, that concludes this video. If you guys made it this far, definitely give me a like for my first video back on YouTube. This hair is probably my favorite. Oh, it's also a 360 wig, but I don't ever like bother doing the back because it's rare that I put it in a bun. The most I'll do is like do the half clip style. So you guys can sew the back of your wigs if you want more security. I'm just gonna pull this down over my bun for the next few days until my next install, which you guys will be seeing. And yes, no filter. Y'all can get into the lace if y'all want. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Let me know what other hair companies y'all want me to try so that y'all don't have to. These are like reviews, so I am working with some of these companies. This company I am not working with. This is my own review, honest review. I love the hair. It sheds very, very, very minimal, like very minimal. It's very versatile. You can do half ups, half downs, whatever. But again, this isn't a wig review, so I'm not even gonna like do all that. I will let y'all know for the wig reviews. But if you guys want to see more content like this, let me know. Give it a like. And if you want to see other content, let me know. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. It's going to be in the description below. I got to remember how to do like these intro, outro things because it's been a minute and I completely fell off the face of the earth when it comes to YouTube. I forgot to make my TikToks. We'll be doing that on Saturday or whenever my hair comes. Hopefully it comes sooner than that. I forgot to do my TikTok. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching.
What do you think my brain is made for? Is it